Many inquire about the feasibility of enhancing their financial prospects through brain training. The answer is yes. Allow me to share my journey of how I started to train my own brain to help me make more money, and it started with setting some goals for the kind of lifestyle that I wanted to live. My mentor, a seasoned entrepreneur, emphasized the paramount importance of clarity in goal setting. So let's say you have a financial goal of making, let's say, $100,000 a year, okay? That's about $8,500 a month, or about, $2,150 every week that you want to earn. And let's say you're not earning that right now. This is the initial step towards training one's brain for financial prosperity, entails crystallizing the desired income, whether on a weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. Next, craft a strong affirmation, such as, "I am so happy and grateful for earning $10,000 monthly." Commit to reciting this affirmation daily, 5 to 10 times, both when you wake up and before sleeping for the night. As you vocalize these words, envision, with eyes closed, the inflow of money into your bank account, whether in the form of a check, cash, or digital deposit. Immerse yourself in the sensation of receiving a consistent income of $10,000 monthly, or any preferred amount. Additionally, visualize the breaking impact of this financial abundance on your life, your loved ones, your family, your friends, your community, and the charitable causes close to your heart. Engage your imagination as though performing in a Hollywood production, fully embracing the emotions associated with this envisioned reality. By adhering to this morning and nighttime ritual, you prime your brain to perceive and experience this financial prosperity as tangible and immediate. This process activates specific regions of the brain, particularly the left prefrontal cortex, renowned for its problem-solving prowess. To enhance cognitive priming further, consider integrating a vision board into your practice. Whether digital or physical, populate it with images depicting the lifestyle afforded by a $10,000 monthly income. Picture yourself behind the wheel of your dream car, lounging in exotic vacation destinations, residing in your ideal abode, and contributing generously to charitable endeavors. As you immerse yourself in these visualizations, internalize the belief that this reality is within reach. Conclude your daily ritual by posing a reflective question. What steps can I take today to manifest in reality this financial abundance? Select 1 or 2 actionable tasks aligned with your aspirations and commit to their execution with no room for errors or mistakes. Combining mental rehearsal with affirmative action constitutes a powerful strategy for priming your brain towards financial success. Break through your money-making mindset starting today. And remember, if you are looking to elevate your life, don't forget to support me by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.